Hello, it's Alicia with WTI, and if you love green tea and you love lemon, you are gonna love this perfect little combo. This is from Bigelow, and this is green tea with lemon. These are individually wrapped tea bags, and it is a very delicious green tea. So it's a little bit mild. It is caffeinated, so it can give you a little energy boost if that's what you need. And it just has a little bit of bright lemon to it, which makes it really interesting and also really tasty. So it takes about 3 minutes to steep, and then you are ready to enjoy. So I love to have this with just a little bit of honey, but it's also delicious all on its own. You can pop these into your bag or keep them in your desk at work, so you always have a nice hot cup of tea at the ready. So if you love green tea and lemon, then definitely check out this Bigelow green tea. It's so tasty. That's my point of view.